This tutorial will give you details on how to install the battery into the product. Receive the product in its entirety. Next, please follow the steps below. First, open the speaker cover on the bottom of the product. Unscrew the top 3 screws. Unscrew the 3 copper posts located inside. Insert the battery cable through the hole on the board. Connect the battery cable. Rescrew the copper posts back into place. The stereo comes with a piece of double-sided tape. Remove the sticker on the adhesive side. Stick the battery in the right place and fix it. Special attention, the battery paste position and the copper post and hole position to avoid affecting the subsequent installation of the speaker cover and the screws fixed. Please place the cable properly in the gap next to the battery to avoid blocking the shell when it is closed, affecting the fit. After the battery is firmly affixed, align the parts of the product with the holes of the copper pillar to close the product. Tighten the screws with the screws that you unscrewed before. Finally, put the speaker cover back on. At this point, the battery is successfully installed.